Financial world is in a panic as SWIFT collapses live on video. According to reports, a number of major international banks, including HSBC and Santander, are making the historic decision to switch from SWIFT to Ripple's XRP as their new standard for cross-border payments. This change is explained in detail in an internal bank memo that was purportedly leaked from HSBC's Strategic Operations Division. According to the document, HSBC Global Operations will switch international settlements from the antiquated SWIFT communications standard to RippleNet with immediate effect, identifying institutional effectiveness and the migration to ISO 2022 as major motivators. By the end of the week, Santander and 3 other financial partners are expected to finish their migration, although the authenticity of this document has not been made public. Its date and wording are exactly in line with established collaborations and Ripple's continuous plan to integrate with significant financial systems. This goes beyond a memo. Although personal reasons were given as the official basis for the resignation, insiders are claiming otherwise. Some people think that the abrupt departure of the CEO has a direct connection to the growing pressure from Ripple and the quick acceptance of XRP as a valid and preferable substitute for SWIFT. The financial industry is experiencing serious disruptions as a result of this change. Although it wouldn't be the first time, it's astounding to watch how quickly an established structure has crumbled under the pressure of advanced technology. Change is happening at an unprecedented rate, leaving many veterans of the field in complete shock and astonishment. We are seeing the rewriting of the financial future. Compliance with ISO 2022, which Ripple performed brilliantly, lies at the core of this change. For those who do not know, the new international standard for financial messaging is ISO 2022. Consider it the language that contemporary financial organizations employ to safely convey cross-border money transfers. Ripple strategically chose to match XRP with ISO 2.2 years ago, while the majority of cryptocurrencies are still operating in regulatory limbo. This was a brilliant move, not simply a clever one. It gave XRP the technical and legal credentials to take the place of SWIFT, making it instantly appealing to banks and regulators. XRP was created as a bridge currency and payment processor, in contrast to Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are seen as assets or commodities. Additionally, the timing of this change couldn't be more ideal, as ISO 2022 will go live in 2025. An impending global liquidity crisis is being warned about by an increasing number of analysts. Currency markets are erratic, interest rates fluctuate, and traditional banking infrastructure is unable to meet the demands of a modern global economy. The global financial system is under stress due to geopolitical crises, central banks cutting dollar reserves, and a declining dollar. XRP is not only a solution, but the answer to contemporary financial transactions that offer a new degree of efficiency in this mess. In addition to providing institutional-grade compliance and transparency, its ability to settle transactions in seconds with negligible fees is revolutionizing our understanding of digital payments and making them more accessible to all. This is important for global adoption because it ensures trust and security in every transaction, makes it the ideal choice to offer a smooth substitute for SWIFT in the global financial system. Additionally, demand naturally rises as XRP usage grows across global sectors and businesses, from banking to retail, which benefits early adopters, investors, and the larger financial ecosystem while spurring innovation. To be clear, this goes beyond simple price speculation. Global banks are looking for liquidity alternatives and dumping the dollar. Therefore, XRP is at the right moment and place. Analysts are already predicting rapid expansion. According to some, if this trend picks up speed, XRP might reach $200.00. That may seem ambitious, but keep in mind that XRP would only need to take up SWIFT's previous function, which is worth several trillions of dollars. What would happen if the IMF, which is already allegedly in talks with the developers of RippleNet, intervened to support XRP? The floods might break out. This is why it's important to act quickly. The dollar is depreciating. The rate of inflation is unmanageable. To reduce risk, central banks are using digital yuan, gold, and cryptocurrency assets. Now is the moment to take action, not tomorrow or next month. It may be too late if you're still holding fiat and expecting the old system endures. XRP's price will not only rise but also soar as it emerges as the preferred choice for real-time payments and worldwide liquidity. Early entry by retail investors could result in transformative rewards. Hesitant people risk falling behind. What will you do now? You will have to wait for the news to be announced by CNBC. Until all major media outlets acknowledge that XRP has supplanted SWIFT, or will you get into position before the tidal wave arrives? Consider this. You are living through one of the biggest financial shifts of our time. The legacy system is in the process of dying. Leave a comment below with your opinions. Are you optimistic about XRP? Do you think SWIFT's career is coming to an end? Let's start the conversation and get into the specifics of our subject. Let's get started because we have a lot to cover. Please click the like button and share your opinions in the comments section below if you thought this article was helpful. We care about your opinions. Help share the important information to everyone by sharing this with those who are still unaware. Power comes from knowledge. Additionally, to stay on top of things and make sure you don't miss any crucial updates, subscribe. Keep in touch. This type of information is essential to your success and is not available on the E. Keep yourself educated, knowledgeable, and one step ahead of the competition. It is essential to your future. There is yet the best to come. This is the revolution, and it is happening right now. Until the next time, participate in it. Avoid missing it.